Max made easy. Let's continue with fundamental concepts including fundamental operation, exercise 13C, part 5. Here is our 22nd question. Look carefully at the question. Here p plus p by 3 is a algebraic expression in a fraction form. P by 3 is a fraction, right? Even in this, the expression, it is in a fraction form, p by 2. Even in this expression, algebraic expression, it is in a fraction form. Now, how we can learn in this way? We are going to learn how to multiply the algebraic expression when it is in a fraction form, right? In previous video, we have learned how to multiply the algebraic expressions, right? Just normal expression, but here it is in a fraction form. If you multiply this p with 2p and p with p by 2, then it will become a long method, that is 2p square, p square by 2, and it will become long process. So to make this problem simple, we are going to just remove this p as a common in all the three expressions, right? See, now I have removed p from here. From this expression I have removed p outside, just kept it as a common. P 1, in place of p I am placing 1, because when you multiply p into 1 is p, right? So even here if I take out p common, that is 1 by 3, right? Even here p is common, so just take this p outside, then it will be 2 plus 1 by 2. Even here I am taking p as common. P, if you place it outside, then it will be 3 minus 2 by 3. To check whether this expression is correct or not, you just multiply this p into 1 p. You should get the above statement, above expression. P into 1 is p plus p into 1 is p by 3. Again I am multiplying this both inside. P into 2, 2p plus p into 1 p by 2, right? I am multiplying this with this first term and second term. You should get this above expression. P into 3 is 3p, p into 2, 2p, p should not be multiplied with 3 because 3 is in denominator. Even here it is not multiplied with 2 because it is in denominator. We are taking this p common only from the numerator, right? So it should be in numerator itself, and when you are multiplying, you should multiply only with the numerator. Is it clear? Okay. Now you can take the LCM of this 1 and 3, right? You can take the LCM of 1 and 3. At the ending, we can know how to make this LCM of 1 and 3. And here I am taking the LCM of 1 and 2 because there is nothing in this denominator. I am considering this place as 1. And even here you should take the LCM of 1 and 3. It will be 3, right? So here, as I am taking LCM, p, I am writing it down as it is 1. In denominator there is nothing, so I am placing 1, right? Now we need to make this part as 3. The denominator part should be 3 because we got 1. When you took LCM of 1 and 3, you got 3. So to make this 1 into 3, you should multiply it with 3. Because you are multiplying it with 3, even here you should multiply it with 3. Here you need to get only 3, but here it's already 3, so you should multiply it with 1. Here in this second term, look here, the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2, right? So you should get 2. How to make the denominator 2? You should multiply it with 2, right children? So numerator should also be multiplied with 2. And because it is 2 here, you are going to multiply it with 1 because we need the same number. We should not change the number, we should get 2. This is what our target is. Even here, to make this 1 into 3, you are multiplying with 3 because LCM is 3. Even here you should multiply it with 3. Because it is already 3, you are going to multiply only with 1. That's enough. So that the number doesn't changes. We need 3. Right? So I'm just going to multiply it inside and we will get this expression. Now because the denominators are same, you can add it 3 plus 1. That is 4. Even here 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. 9 minus 2, because one is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. Whenever integer is having positive and negative, put the bigger number sign. That is 9 is having plus sign. So put plus sign and subtract it. It becomes 7 by 3. Right? I hope you understood this. Now because they are having a multiplication sign in between, you can multiply this p into p into p. It becomes p cube, and you're going to multiply this 4 by 3 into 5 by 2 into 7 by 3. Right? Now, is there any terms, numerator and denominator can get cancelled? See here. Always cancel it, one number from denominator or numerator. 2 ones are here. 2 twos will be 4. Right? So, now you cannot divide any other numbers. So you can just multiply it. You will get 2 into 5 into 7 is 70. 3 into 3 is 9. This is one of the easiest way to solve a problem. Here is a LCM. Here how we can take a LCM of 1 and 3. I will just explain for one term. Here I am taking 1 and 3. Which 3 is divisible with 3. There is no other option. With 2 it's not divisible. Always start with the least number. Because 2 is not divisible, sorry, 3 is not divisible in 2, I am going to take the next number, that is 3. 3 ones are 3. So our LCM is only 3. Our 23rd question, 7 by 30 of p by 3 plus 7p by 15. Here they are giving 7 by 3 of. That means from this whole expression we are going to talk about 7 by 30th part. Right? Let me give you a small example for understanding this expression, this statement. Right? Because it is difficult to understand with this kind of statement. So let me take a simple example. Here let's consider 2 by 5 of triangle. What does this mean? If you understand this, then you will easily get what the question is. Of triangle. Now let's here they are talking about a triangle. So let's draw a diagram of triangle. What they are saying is, in this triangle, the triangle is divided into 5 parts. In denominator you can see 5, right? So that means the triangle is divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, that are equal parts. Here I am not dividing it equally. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I am getting only 4. Let me extend my triangle. Yes. Yeah. Here is a triangle. I have divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Right? And here what they are saying is 2 by 5. So it means the second part, it should be divided into equal parts, children. This 5 parts should be equal. Right? So we are going to talk about this 2 parts. I'm just considering it as an example. For example, I am drawing like this, but it should not be like this. It should be equal. The triangle should be equal. See, this part is small, this part is big. It should not be like that. It should divide into equal parts. Okay. So, it is divided into 2 parts, right? So, we are going to talk about this 2 parts. Only about this 2. This is what it means, 2 by 5 of triangle. So you would have understood what the question means now. Okay. Okay, so now you can just take the LCM of this 3 and 15, right? Here 15 and 3 always start with the least number. 15 and 3 is not divisible by 2. So let's check with 3. 3 5s are 15 and 1. Now 5 1s are 5. 5 into 3. This is what the LCM is. When you multiply the prime factors, you will get 15. So this is the LCM. So to make this 3 into 15, what we have to multiply? We have to multiply with 5. It becomes 15. 5 3s are 15. So because we are multiplying it with 5 in the denominator, even in numerator you need to multiply children, not divide. Multiply it with 5. Here already it's 15. So just multiply with 1. That's enough. Because we don't need to change the number. We already got the number over there. So when you multiply, this is what you get. 5 into p, 5p. 7 into p, 7p. Now, like terms can be added. So 12p by 15. Now here, you can multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. But here, you can still cancel this. How you can cancel it? 3. In 3 table you can cancel it, right? 3 4s are 12. 3 10s are 30, right? And here again 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10, right children? So now you can multiply each other. 3 7 2s are 14p. 5 into 15 is 75. I hope you got this and it's very clear. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Check the description box for fundamental concepts. Thank you.